Hello everyone, today we will be looking at Dashpivot tutorial. I'll be providing you with a comprehensive overview of Dashpivot's core features. Dashpivot is a powerful platform designed to help teams and businesses streamline workflows, centralize data management, and enhance overall productivity across various projects. Whether you are handling construction, engineering, or any other fieldwork intensive operations, we are currently on the Dashpivot website, and the first thing to understand is how to navigate through the system. At the top left corner of your screen, you will find a button. This serves as your main menu. Clicking on it reveals your company name, along with all the projects and teams that are currently configured within your account. When it comes to structuring your account, there are multiple approaches to consider, depending on the needs of your organization. Depending on the needs of your organization. For example, some prefer to set up a project folder that contains multiple team folders within that project, making it easier to manage internal teams working together on a single site. Others opt for a structure where each client has its own project folder, with separate client sites or locations listed underneath. This method works well for companies handling multiple clients across different locations. Now let's explore a crucial component within a project, the list section. This helps you manage key information that can be referred across different templates and workflows. For example, if you frequently need to input personal names, equipment details, or contractor information into forms, you can create custom lists to store this data. Later, you can link this list directly to form templates, making data entry quicker and more consistent. Beyond just storing names and details, lists allow you to track essential information, such as individuals' date of birth, certifications, or contact details. You can also configure automated notifications to alert you when an important document, such as a license, certification, or service date, is due for renewal. Furthermore, documents can be uploaded directly to lists, allowing you to maintain a digital register of all necessary records in one place. This ensures compliance, improves document accessibility, and eliminates the hassle of manual tracking. Data capture and workflow management. Moving on to the team folders, this is where the majority of data capture occurs. One of the most powerful features within team folders is the templates section, which plays a crucial role in digitizing and optimizing workflows. This section allows teams to create smart digital templates that replace traditional paper-based documents, such as Word files, Excel spreadsheets, and PDFs. By using Dashpivot's digital forms, organizations can significantly streamline data entry, minimize manual errors, and enhance overall operational efficiency. Templates can be designed to fit specific project needs, ensuring that all necessary data is collected in a consistent and organized manner. These templates not only reduce paperwork but also enhance accessibility. To illustrate how this works, consider the site diary template. Within the section, all records completed using the template are automatically organized by date, making it easy to track progress over time. By selecting the most recent entry including date and time of the entry, location details, weather conditions, uploaded photos or supporting documents, tables, and structured data fields for enhanced visualization. For teams that need detailed and structured reporting, tables within the site diary provide an excellent way to categorize and analyze information, ensuring that all project stakeholders have a clear understanding of site conditions and activities. One of Dashpivot's greatest strengths is its customization capabilities. When setting up an account, users have complete control over which fields appear within each template and in what order. Additionally, Dashpivot allows teams to make specific fields mandatory, ensuring critical information is never overlooked. Configure conditional logic so certain fields appear only when relevant criteria are met. Set automated workflows, such as notifications and approvals, to keep processes moving smoothly. With a wide range of configuration options available, teams can tailor Dashpivot to their unique operational requirements, ensuring that data is captured efficiently, reports are standardized, and workflows are optimized. Ultimately, the templates section within Dashpivot is a game changer for organizations looking to improve efficiency, maintain accurate records, and transition to a fully digital and integrated document management system. Two different ways templates can be structured. The first option is the timeline template, which organizes entries day by day. The second option is the workflow template, which follows a different approach. Instead of listing entries chronologically, the workflow template arranges them into columns, allowing you to move forms through various stages of completion. Another is register option, which allows you to dive deeper into your data. Once you return to the office, you can analyze form submissions and extract meaningful insight. Dashpivot also includes an analytics section, which is crucial for data visualization. Here, you can create dashboards that display important project metrics in the form of charts. Each dashboard can contain multiple charts, providing a comprehensive view of project performance. For instance, if we click on a specific dashboard, we might see two charts tracking different types of data. Each chart comes with customization options, enabling you to filter data and extract relevant insights when dealing with extensive datasets spanning months or years. Media management and team collaboration. Another valuable section within Dashpivot is photos. This section serves as a centralized repository for all images and videos uploaded by your team. Photos are stored in chronological order, with the most recent uploads appearing at the top. As you scroll down, you can access older media files. Uploading photos is easy. You can do it via the website or through the Dashpivot mobile app. The app includes a dedicated photos section, allowing users to capture and review images on site. Each uploaded photo contains additional metadata, such as the name of the person who uploaded it, applied tags, descriptions, and comments. Finally, let us discuss the Home section. This section provides an overview of who has access to a specific team folder. Usernames are displayed with color-coded labels for easy identification. The Home section also includes an activity feed, displaying real-time updates on platform activity. Anytime a photo is uploaded, a form is filled out, or a new chart is created, it appears in this feed. The most recent activities are listed at the top, while older ones are displayed below. This feature helps teams stay informed and track project progress effortlessly. And that is all there is on Dashpivot tutorial in 2025. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. We hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.